Welcome to the video tutorial on how to make your St. Edward's University enrollment deposit. First, visit myhilltop.stedwards.edu and search for the Make Your Enrollment Deposit task. The task will direct you to the Billing Center. In the Select Term drop-down menu, select the term you plan to begin your enrollment at St. Edward's University. Next, you will need to select a deposit using the drop-down, then click Select. If the term and type of deposit is correct, hit the red Continue button. Follow the instructions to pay the deposit. Select the method of payment to enter your bank account, debit, or credit card information. Once you have provided your payment information, hit the red Submit Payment button. You will then receive confirmation once your payment is successfully processed. It may take up to 24 hours for the admission office to update your status. For questions in regard to making your enrollment deposit, contact the Office of Admission via email scu.admit@stedwards.edu or call 512-448-8500.